Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are going to solve some exercise about the ellipse that we studied last time. Today we are going to give some new ideas about it because next time, inshallah, we are going to study the hyperbola, okay? So, grab the equation of the ellipse, which is given as x plus 2 squared divided by 25 plus y plus 4 all power of 2 over 4 equals 1. We knew already that the equation is x squared over a squared plus b squared over y squared over b squared equals 1, or x if the center is the origin and if the center is h and k, it will be x minus h all power of 2 over a squared plus y minus k all power 2 over b squared equals 1. And this is the form of this one, okay? So a squared equals 25. Then a equals positive or negative 5. B squared equals 4. Then b equals positive or negative 2. What about the center? The center is negative 2 and negative 4, the opposite sign of this number and the opposite sign of this number. And if we graph this ellipse, this is the y-axis and this is x-axis, and we can plot the point at negative 2 and this one is negative 4, so it will be negative 2 and 4, negative 2 and 4, negative 2 and 4, and we can graph the ellipse as this figure. Okay, this is the center and this is the point. What about the distance x and y? So it will be 5 and 5 from both sides, a. So this negative 2 and 4 plus 5, it will be 3 and 4. Negative 2 and 4. Negative 2 minus 5, it will be negative 7 and 4. Okay? What about, so the center is negative 2 and 4, and these points will be 3 and 4, negative 2 and negative 7 and 4, and the other points on the y-axis, b equals 2, so we can add 2 here, it will be negative 2 and 6, and negative 2 and 2. It's okay? What about the focus or the foci, or the foci? First of all, center is negative 2 and 4. The vertices will be at negative 7 and 4 and 3 and 4. Vertical vertices will be at 2 and vertical vertices, negative 2 and 6 and negative 2 and 2. What about C? C squared will be A squared minus B squared, which is 25 minus 4, which is 21. Then C equal positive or negative root of 21. So we can move from this point root 21, and from this point root 21. Then the foci will be at negative 2 plus root 21 and 4, or negative 2 minus root 21 and 4, which is this point. And this is everything about this ellipse, okay? I'll give you another one. x plus 2 all power of 2 plus over 9 plus y, so this because it's negative, and y plus 1 power of 2 over 16 equals 1. Okay, so the center is this negative. Okay, this is negative. The center will be 2 and negative 1. Okay, and a will be positive or negative root of 9, which is positive 9, positive or negative 3, and b equals positive or negative square root of 16, which is positive or negative 4, and c will be positive or negative 16 root 16 minus 9, which is root positive or negative root 7. And we can graph it at the first, as we draw in the first one. This is y, and this is x. And the center will be at 2 and negative 1, 2 and negative 1. Okay? And the ellipse will be C will be root 7, so root 7 is less than 3 and greater than 2. This is 1, so the ellipse will be no. Okay, because the y, the b is more than a, okay? And we can put the points on it. For example, this one is 4, so negative 1 plus 4, it will be 3, so 2 and 3. And this one, 2 and negative 4. And here, 5 and negative 1. And this is 3 and negative 1, 2. Okay, let me change it. Okay, so the points will be here, it's 2 and negative 1, and this is negative 1 and negative 1, and this point will be 5 and negative 1, because A is 3. And this point will be, this point will be 16, so negative 1 plus 16 is 3, so 2 and 3, and this point will be 2 and negative 4. It's okay. What about C? C from this point, C, it will be at 2 and negative 1 plus root 7. And here will be 2 and negative 1 minus root 7. Okay? And this point will be 2 and negative. Okay? Okay? So this for C will be at 2 and negative 1 plus root 7, or 2 minus 1 and negative 1 minus root 7. And here, everything about this one. We found the foci and we found the centers. Okay. I'll give you some example to solve in homework. Graph x plus 4 power of 2 over 25 plus y minus 1 power of 2 over 4 equals 1. This is number 1. And number 2, x minus 3 all power of 2 over 4 plus y minus 2 all power of 2 over 36 equals 1. Okay, I'll show you again the slides if you need to make. Okay, this is the first one and this is the second one. Note that this one, the measure is parallel to x, the measure axis in x-axis, and this is the measure in y-axis because 16 is more than 9. Okay, thank you very much, and next time inshallah we are going to complete. Thanks.